What is happening, friends? So welcome back. Today we are going to do a little work on the Scag here. My fuel gauge is not working. It's just showing 0, even though it's full. So stick with this. I'm doing this for my Scag Freedom. I would assume that it's about the same process for darn near any 0 turn at least, or any riding lawnmower that you have. So it's quick, easy, fast, cheap. Let's go. I just changed out the oil on this bad boy, so that's why oil's on the mine. So as you can see here, this is reading 0. I have it pretty much full. So first things first, it's very easy to take this apart. It's very easy to diagnose this. So this will just wiggle out. You can see there's my gasket. So you can wiggle this top part out. You can take a flathead and pry it up. Back and forth all sides until you get this baby out of here. One-handed skills here even right now. Okay, so after you shimmy it up, there we go. So we pried that up. You can see this is a gasket that holds it down. So let's get a look at some parts here. As we pull this dude up, everything is intact on this. So I don't really know what the problem is. This white bobber, the more that slides up, the more your fuel level goes up. So this white bobber part is supposed to sit on top of your fuel. My fuel tank's full, so I don't know why this isn't. It's just sinking down. Something's broken there. Sometimes this bottom black piece right here can come loose in there. You can get like a one of those magnets that will get metals and fish it down in there, pull it out, and then you can just kind of piece this bottom back together. That's not the case here. This thing is perfectly fine. It's just my little white bobber part's not floating. So as much as I would have liked to have been just Mr. Save the day, because I don't like spending money, and just fix this thing for free, I was at a loss. So I ended up buying a new one. Got this baby off of Amazon, and it cost about 30 bucks. So as you can see, it's all the same parts here. So let's take it out, drop it in. So here's the new one. I really don't see, the bottom's a little different, but I don't see what the deal is that happened with this. Don't know if it got bogged down or what, but as you can tell, they look the exact same. And if I shimmy that up, yeah, so let's drop it in. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. And if it even fits. Let's see if it fits too. Just had to give that thing a little love there. So much tighter squeeze than this. This white part's a little bit thicker on this new one, it looks like. But it also costs 20 some odd dollars less than a Scag brand, so name brand, if you will. So boom, we squeeze it in there, put it in there. So now, then you just push down on that and we're in there. So as you can see, it's dancing on top, so it's working. Like I said, that's about $20–30 cheaper than the Scag brand. It's worth it to just push it in my opinion. Quick, easy. All right, so there you go. Like I said, super quick, super easy. And you may even end up pulling one of these out and be able to diagnose it and do it for free. If maybe the end's broken or something like that. Regardless, get in there, do it. Very quick, very easy. Like I said, it should be about the same for any other lawnmower you have. So be nice to people, love each other, love God. We'll see you next time.